A man living in Leander nearly lost his life after a serious motorcycle crash. But local doctors acted fast, doing something they had never done before in Williamson County.
KXAN's Blake Devine shares the life-saving surgery they performed with a brand new medical device.
A routine ride on a motorcycle suddenly took a turn for the worse for Alfred Peterson.
Ran into the side of the vehicle and it threw me about 20 yards. And then the vehicle parked on my leg.
Suffering several broken bones and life-threatening damage to his aorta, doctors placed the Leander man in a medically induced coma to prevent catastrophic bleeding.
From the aorta into the subclavian artery right here.
Dr. Nicolas Zea of Cardiothoracic and Vascular Surgeons performed a first-of-its-kind surgery for the trauma patient in Williamson County.
It was an operation that lasted less than an hour, as opposed to an operation that could have lasted 3 or 5 hours.
They used the GORE thoracic branch Endoprosthesis device.
Allowed us to seal the tear in his aorta, but also preserve blood flow to his left arm, sort of sealing a tear of an existing pipe by deploying a new pipe from the inside.
Surviving several serious injuries, Peterson's wife, Christy, calls her husband a superhuman.
When I finally got to see him and he looked at me, was when I really realized that I don't want to ever live without him.
His pancreas, his spleen.
9 weeks after the crash, Al was finally released from the hospital.
Take that extra time to look.
Yeah.
Starting his road to recovery.
Very fortunate for all the advancements in medical capabilities that saved my life. The technology is amazing, and it's the reason I'm here today.
The motorcycle that Peterson crashed was his grandfather's, bought brand new in 1939. He told me that he's having it restored and plans to ride it again sometime soon. He's also very thankful for the fact that he was wearing a helmet during that very dangerous day.